Good morning, students. Today we are starting with our question number 6. So question number 6 is convert given percentage to decimal fraction and also to the fraction in simplest form. First of all, we have to convert this fraction into decimal fraction and also in the fraction or in simplest form. So first of all, we will write the percentage, then fraction, then simplest form, and then decimal form. We have to convert this percentage into these three forms. First of all, we will write the percentage. Here the percentage is your 25%. So 25% in fraction can be written as the percentage can be removed by dividing it by 100. So this is your fraction. 25 upon 100 is your fraction. Simplest form is the the simplest form is to reduce this fraction into smallest term. So 25 1 the 25, 25 4 the 100. So 1 upon 4 is your simplest form. Next is your decimal form. Decimal form is to divide this 1 with 4 first of all. So it will not divide, it will go 0 point and 1 0. So 4 to the 8 2 0 4 5 the 20. On dividing you will obtain 0.25 as decimal form. Next part is B part. So B part is your 150%. So we will do in blank slide. Next is your 150%. So this is your 150%. This is your percentage. Next we have to convert it into fraction. So fraction is 150. This percentage can be removed and we will divide it by 100. This is your fraction. Next is your simplest form. Simplest form is to divide this fraction. So 150 upon 100. So 0 will cancel. This will divide on 5 3 the 15, 5 2 the 10, or you will say simplest form is your 3 upon 2. And your last is your decimal form. Decimal form is in points. So on dividing this 3 with 2, you will obtain 2 1 the 2, 1 0. So 0.25 the 10. So you will obtain the required result to be 1.5. So this is your decimal form. So next part is your 20%. So how can we write? This is your percentage 20%. Fractional form is 20 upon 100 and simplest form is 20 upon 100 on 2 1 the 2, 2 5 the 10, or you will say 1 upon 5. And decimal form is on dividing this 1 with 5. So 0.10, so 5 to the 10. So 0.2 is your decimal form. So these are the required answers for this question. So next question, next parts you will try it yourself. And next question is, in a city 30% are female, 40% are male, and remaining are children. So percentage of female is 30%, percentage of male is 40%, and total number of percentage of female and male is this. You will add this, that is 30 plus 40, that is 70%. And total we know that total percentage is total percentage of any standard quantity such as marks, any population is 100%. Total population is 100%, out of which 70% are male and female. So how many remaining portion? The remaining portion are your children. Percentage of children is total percentage. Total percentage is your 100% and minus percentage of male and female. So 100 minus 70, out of which 30% are children. So this is your required answer. 30% are male, the female, 40% are male, and remaining are your children. That is 30 plus 40, 70. 70 on subtracting from 100 you will obtain 30%. 30% are your required children. So next question is, out of 15,000 votes in a constituency, 60% voted. Find the percentage of votes who did not vote. Can you now find how many actually did not vote. So total votes are given, that is 15,000. Percentage of voted candidate is also given, that is 60%, and percentage of not voted candidate. Total candidate is 100%. We know that total quantity of standard form is your 100%. Total quantity or candidate here is your 100%. So 60% are voted. So the remaining are your non-voted candidate. So non-voted candidate are 40%. So you have to calculate the number of non-voted candidate. So you how will you calculate? You will calculate 40%, that is non-voted, of total votes, that is 15,000. So 40 upon percentage can be removed by dividing by 100. Of means multiply 15,000. These two zeros will cancel. You will obtain 6,000 candidates. 6,000 candidates are 40% of this 15,000. So 6,000 candidates did not vote. This is your required answer. Hope you all understand. Our next class on tomorrow. Thank you, students.